In this video, I'll show you how to repair weapons in Where Winds Meet. Now you may have noticed that every time you die, it tells you that your weapon's durability has decreased. And so in order for you to repair your weapons so that you take them back to peak performance, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and open up the menu and then select Develop. Under Develop, you're going to choose the option Gear, or you're going to navigate to Gear, and then you should be able to see your weapons. So now all you need to do is simply select your weapon and then select the option Repair. If you don't see that option, it means that your weapon is not in any need of repair. So as you can see, for example, this robe right here, it needs repair. So all I need to do is simply scroll down and select Repair and then confirm that I want to repair it. Once I've done that, it will be repaired successfully and all the physical defense that it had been given me originally will be taken back to default. You can do the same thing for weapons. You just need to go ahead and select the option Repair, confirm your choice, and the item will be repaired successfully. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.